Don't massage your legs every night until you know about these 6 natural oils to massage legs after 60. If you're just using your hands or picking the wrong oil, the benefits might be minimal, or worse, it could prolong your discomfort without you even realizing it. Those tingling sensations, aches, or cold feet at night aren't just normal aging, they're your body quietly asking for help. In this video, you'll discover 6 essential oils recommended by experts from Mayo Clinic that not only improve leg circulation, reduce inflammation, and relax muscles, but also promote better sleep naturally and safely for those over 60. And don't take your eyes off the 5th oil. It's the one many people use incorrectly, making all their massage efforts pointless. Number 1. Lavender oil. There's one essential oil that's very familiar, but often underrated when it comes to leg care after 60. The shame is, when used correctly, it doesn't just feel relaxing. It improves leg circulation, soothes aches, and supports deeper sleep every night. According to a study published in the National Library of Medicine, using this oil in massage therapy for elderly legs significantly reduced pain, numbness, and improved blood flow in older adults after just 2 weeks of consistent use. The method is simple. Warm a few drops of these natural oils to massage legs after 60, then gently rub in circular motions from the soles of your feet to your ankles. When done right, especially before bed, it works as one of the best oils for leg pain relief without needing medication. This oil is also great if you're looking for essential oils for muscle recovery after walking, light exercise, or when your leg muscles feel tight at night. And if you often feel your feet freezing when you lie down, the next oil might just be your secret weapon. Number 2. Peppermint oil. If your feet ever feel like they're burning after a day of walking, or you get that tight, tense feeling in your calves when you lie down, this is the oil to try. It not only provides a cooling sensation, but also relieves pressure, softens muscles, and helps you sleep better at night. Just add a few drops of these natural oils to massage legs after 60 to your palms, rub gently, and apply to the soles of your feet. You'll feel a light, cooling sensation spread through your tired muscles. Massage in circular motions from your feet to your ankles for 5 minutes, and your legs will feel noticeably lighter. This oil is especially helpful for those who stand for long periods or move around a lot during the day. When paired with an improved leg circulation massage, it boosts blood flow and reduces that heavy leg feeling. It's also one of the top oils for leg pain relief, particularly for that nagging ache at night. If you're looking to relax your muscles after light exercise, it doubles as one of the best essential oils for muscle recovery you can use at home. Have you ever used an essential oil to soothe your legs after a long day? Share your experience in the comments below. And if you often deal with cold feet, especially at night, the next oil is the lifesaver you've been waiting for. Number 3. Ginger oil. Ginger oil has a natural warming effect that stimulates blood flow, relaxes tight muscles, and eases that tingling pain, especially at night. It's perfect for older adults who deal with cold feet, heavy calves, or cramps when the weather changes. A 65-year-old woman from Chicago shared that since using ginger oil to massage her legs every night, she no longer needs 2 blankets to warm her feet. The nagging pain in her calves also faded significantly after just 1 week of consistent use. Simply warm a few drops of these natural oils to massage legs after 60 and apply evenly from the soles of your feet to your ankles in circular motions. When used regularly, it's one of the most effective oils for leg pain relief. Pair it with an improved leg circulation massage, or use it as one of the essential oils for muscle recovery after a light walk in the evening. Have you ever had cold feet that kept you up at night? Drop your experience in the comments so others can relate. If you love a clean, soothing scent and want fast relaxation, the next oil is definitely for you. Number 4. Eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus oil is ideal when your legs feel heavy, your calves ache, or you notice mild inflammation after activity. Just add a few drops of these natural oils to massage legs after 60 to your palms, apply to your legs, and massage gently for about 5 minutes. You'll feel a refreshing, open sensation that's noticeably more comfortable. This oil is often used as one of the top anti-inflammatory oils for seniors, helping to ease calf or ankle pain when the weather shifts. If you enjoy morning walks or park strolls, eucalyptus oil also works well as one of the essential oils for muscle recovery. You can combine it with an improved leg circulation massage to quickly relieve tingling or aching from standing too long. For inner leg health, check out our playlist Foods and Vitamins for Leg Strength After 60, where you'll find foods and vitamins to support stronger legs after 60. But not every oil is best for nighttime use, and this common mistake is tripping up a lot of people. Don't miss what's next. Number 5, rosemary oil. Many love rosemary oil for its standout ability to warm muscles and boost blood flow. But the biggest mistake lies in using it at the wrong time or in the wrong way, which can lead to disappointing results. Rosemary oil has a mild, stimulating effect. If you use it at night, especially before bed, it might make it harder to relax or cause you to wake up in the middle of the night, especially if you're sensitive or have light sleep. The best time to use this oil is in the morning or early afternoon. After walking, doing chores, or standing for a while, apply a few drops of these natural oils to massage legs after 60, rub from the soles of your feet to your calves, and massage gently for 5 minutes. Your legs will feel lighter, less stiff, and comfortable all day. This oil pairs well with an improved leg circulation massage, as it strongly supports blood flow and reduces tingling or calf fatigue. It's also one of the top oils for leg pain relief when used during the day. Experts often recommend rosemary oil as one of the essential oils for muscle recovery and a staple in massage therapy for elderly legs, especially in colder months. Are you using rosemary oil at the wrong time without realizing it? If you've had trouble sleeping or didn't see results, share your story in the comments so others can learn. If you're after a gentle oil that supports relaxation and natural sleep, the final one is perfect for you. Number 6, sweet orange oil. If you're looking for an essential oil with a pleasant scent, no irritation, and benefits for both mind and body, sweet orange oil is the ideal choice. It's not just uplifting, it soothes muscles, reduces mild inflammation, and supports sleep. A study from the National Institutes of Health found that using sweet orange oil in massage therapy for elderly legs lowered anxiety levels, increased overall relaxation, and improved sleep quality in older adults. Apply a few drops of these natural oils to massage legs after 60 to the soles of your feet and ankles, then massage gently for 5 to 7 minutes. You'll feel a cooling sensation wash away the day's fatigue. Have you ever tried massaging with a citrus-scented oil? How did it feel? Leave a comment to share your experience with others. If you prefer gentle relaxation, not too warm, not too cool, sweet orange oil is the perfect finale to the 6 essential oils you need to know after 60. After 60, caring for your legs isn't just about relieving aches. It's about listening to your body every day. These 6 essential oils you've just explored don't just support circulation, reduce inflammation, and relax muscles. They bring comfort, better sleep, and less pain when you wake up each morning. The key is using the right oil, the right way, at the right time. Make evening leg massages a loving self-care habit because your legs are the foundation of your mobility and quality of life. Have you tried any of these essential oils? Which one worked best for you? Or do you have questions you'd like answered? Drop a comment below. I'll read and respond to everyone. Don't forget to check out our playlist Foods and Vitamins for Leg Strength After 60 to learn how to keep your legs strong from the inside out with diet, vitamins, and daily habits that boost strength and balance after 60.